Welcome to an exciting new listing in the heart of Langley City. Today, we're stepping into a one-bed, one-bathroom condo offering over 630 square feet of pure charm and comfort. Let's go for a tour of this remarkable home and the vibrant community surrounding it. As you step in, you'll immediately notice how tastefully renovated this unit is. Some features include a new tiled shower surround, wide plank laminate flooring, a gourmet kitchen with updated stainless steel appliances, paired with white shaker-style cabinets. Cozy up by the fireplace, making those chilly nights a thing of the past. It's a perfect spot to unwind and enjoy a glass of wine. Speaking of unwinding, this walk-in closet is spacious enough to fit your entire wardrobe. Keep your fashion game on point. There you have it. This property is not just a place to live, it's a canvas for your active and exciting lifestyle. Don't miss out. Call today to make this vibrant lifestyle yours.